Hey guys, it's Fatman here. Today, I just got this package from FedEx. It's an Xbox One controller that I was able to customize to any color that I want it to be. Now, to be honest, I ordered this a long time ago. I don't even remember what I ordered it, but, you know, let's get this thing open. No scissors for me. It didn't help. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. This is awesome packaging. I don't want to ruin this. Oh, jeez. I hate when this happens. My shorts pocket gets caught on the knob of the door and opens. I hate my life. I got it. Look at that. That's my controller right there. Obviously. You guys ready for this? The grand reveal. Oh wow, that's cool. Man, it's got everything on there. It's got the grip. And, oh man, I think that looks really cool. You know, you got some dark blue for the body, and then you got white for buttons, and you got red for your buttons and triggers. I think it looks awesome. I cannot wait to use this. This is gonna be my... Oh yeah, and I'm pretty sure... Look, can you guys see that? Yeah. Oh, it says Fatman. I'll try to get it good. I'll show you guys a picture right now. So yeah, that's the controller. I think it's just awesome the way it is. Cause I mean, just look at it. It's so cool. Props to Heather Kenny, who got me this. Well, she got me a card that made it so I can customize my own Xbox One controller. Thanks, sis. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.